Starting on YouTube and creating content is overwhelming. When you look up how to create a YouTube channel online, there is so much information. People tell you to find your niche, optimize your titles and thumbnails, don't vlog, because vlogging is dead, but you need to tell a good story. You make content that's gonna go viral and you need to post consistently. It's like crazy overwhelming, okay? And honestly, that's why I haven't posted anything on here despite how much I want to. Hi, I'm Priscilla, and like many other people, I find a lot of joy in visually documenting my life. I take videos all the time, and I've finished a few, but I've also quit before I've started for a lot of other ones. And now a lot of that footage just sits on my hard drive. But a few things have changed my mindset, and I'm sharing that creative process of learning how to storytell and getting a video out in the world, which is what you're watching right now. So I went to Los Angeles this week for a college reunion. I told people that I really wanted to make more videos and practice more storytelling, but I didn't really have anything to show for it. So I've been thinking about how to start creating again, and I've broken it down into a 3-step process. So step 1 is to learn the theory and the basics of storytelling. So your classic 4-act structure of making a story, learning your tone of voice, all these sorts of building blocks. There are a lot of videos and resources online about this. So step 2 is to absorb and to analyze. And this is a fun step. I just got to watch a lot of content and take notes. Here you are trying to understand how other people use storytelling. So I watched my favorite creators, and then I asked my friends who their favorite creators were. Some people I laughed with, and others I couldn't even get myself to watch. But I wrote down, why did I think this was so engaging? Like, why did I just sit through 10 minutes of this person talking? Or why did I click out of this video? Where did it lose my attention? And so I've done all this background work, and I've learned how to theoretically tell a story. I've seen other people apply these strategies, and I've broken them down to understand what I like and what I didn't like. So step 3 is to practice and to post. So I set up my recording device, I write a little shot list, start talking to the camera, but then to edit, to post, that's like putting a little piece of yourself and your heart and your soul out there for the world, and you don't know what the reaction is gonna be. So I struggle really hard with this. And as I'm writing this script right now, I'm having the exact same thoughts. Is anybody gonna even watch this? I don't even know if this is good. It's a hard mentality to get out of, but I'm just telling myself I have to do it, because if I don't finish it, I'm not gonna get any better. I hate this feeling, but how do I fight it? Time box this creative outlet. Video editing has been the creative outlet that I've always wanted to have. But with that, I've had a lot of perfectionism when it comes to making videos that has stopped me from posting when something isn't perfect, and it never is. I'm going to set a time that I have to post by regardless of how it's looking. It's done. Get ready for Christmas Day.
Yeah,
it's gonna be a true present to the world. Okay, so the plan. Hatched in a little coffee shop in LA, and I'm gonna pass it to my friend.
Priscilla's gonna make 6 videos by the end of the year, and they're gonna be really great. Well, maybe not, but like, keep your expectations low.
So this is my experiment to see if I can commit to making 1 video a week until the end of the year, so until 2023. And it's finally time for me to take all the ideas that I've had in my head or just on my hard drive and actually release them. I'm super excited. They're mostly gonna be lifestyle and travel related. Stay tuned and see you next week.